How's it T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is the Oraimo Freepods 3 True Wireless Earbuds with ENC technology. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the Oraimo Freepods 3 True Wireless Earbuds with environmental noise cancellation technology, the ENC. Now realize something, this is very different. The ENC is very different from the ANC. The ANC is the active noise cancellation. Now the active noise cancellation produces, let's see, let me put it the best way I can explain this. Active noise cancellation produces a frequency that, cancels out every other frequency around you. But the ENC, what it does, it uses an AI technology to silence sound around you. That's the difference. Okay, so this is not active noise cancelling, this is environmental noise cancelling. Recognize the two. Alright, now I'm gonna leave the spec here on the side of the screen and I'm gonna unbox this. So just look through the specs while I do the unboxing. Okay, now while you're at it, click on that like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Let's get on with it. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, these are the contents of the box. We've got the Oraimo Freepods 3 charging case with the earpods in them, a USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips, and a manual. We are not interested in these right now, so we are just going to focus on this. The Oraimo Freepods 3 True Wireless Earbuds charging case with the earbuds in them. Alright, it comes in the shape of a pill. It's got the Oraimo name right here. I don't know if this is the name or the logo, but it is what it is. We've got the indicator lights here. Underneath we've got the USB charging port and we've got some specs behind here. Does anybody ever look through these specs at all? These things, I always wonder about them. Alright. Okay. Oh, these are the earbuds. Alright. This looks good. I like this. Alright. Okay. Indicator light trying to pair. Alright. It's a short stem. I like this. I like the short stem. And I've got the Oraimo name right here. This must be the touch sensor because it's the only part of it that's different. The rest of it has got like a matte finish, but this has got a little shiny surface, so that's cool. Okay, these are the ear tips. Nice. Alright. Charging plates. We've got a microphone here. I think we've got some microphones around it. Maybe this one too. And where else? That's about it. Okay, alright. Same goes for this one too. Alright, I like this though. The ear tips look like a merge of the Apple pods and maybe the regular ear tips for earphones. Like a little merge. You see that there? Like this and this. That's cool. I hope it serves a purpose. Alright, now we know what it looks like. Let us do a fit test. Let's put this on, see how comfortable they fit. Alright. Oh, that is very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Let me spin it around so you can see this. There you go. It's very comfortable. It fits properly in your ears. It's not poking inside. It's not painful. It is very, very, very comfortable. I like the short stem. It kind of clamps right here your ear. So that really feels very comfortable. It feels very reassuring. I like this. I like the feel. Now we're going to do another fit test because there is a mode with this earbud that will require you to take off take off the ear tips for you to use this mode. Don't worry, stick with me, I'll explain later. So we're gonna do another fit test, but this time without the ear tips, okay? And again, another comfortable fit, but this time not as secure as the previous one, but it is still comfortable, still feels like it will sit in place, but not as secure as the previous one, as the previous test. But I like this. It's comfortable, it's not painful, it's not poking your ear, you don't feel any pressure. It is really, really good. I like the feel. Good. Now, stick around. I'll explain why I had to do 2 fit tests. Stick around. Alright guys, this was a very, very good fit test. Alright, now let us pair these to my smartphone and let's see how easy it is to do. Alright, and there's my phone. Here we go. Now with other earbuds, what I usually do, I put this back into the charge case like so, and then I take them out and then I go for the pairing process. But with these, they're different. All I need to do with these is just to flip open the charge case. I don't need to take out the earbuds or anything like that. All I need to do is just flip this open and go to your Bluetooth settings, and right there you find it, and easy peasy, so paired up. Less than 10 seconds guys, it's already paired up right here. Very easy, very simple process. Remember, not all earbuds can do this. Don't think it's a normal thing for all earbuds, just this one and maybe some others. All you need to do is just flip this open and you're good to go. I think the Soundcore R100 does the same thing too, and maybe some others that I can't remember right now, but I know that the Soundcore R100 comes to mind right now. All you need to do is flip open the charging case and you're good to go. All right, let's just listen to some music right now and see what it sounds like, and I hope it sounds really good. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me tell you what I think about this. This is great. Very, very good sound. Very good sound. Now, I can't say I'm surprised because I must tell you the truth. I've heard so many positives about this. I just wanted to see for myself to see how great it really is. Now, I'm not going to say it is... I'm not going to say it's the best sound I've heard from a budget headset. I'm not going to say that. That would be untrue. But it is very good. And I really think it's worth the price. It is very good. Now, this has 2 modes to it. It's got an awareness mode, something I would call the voice mode, and a bass mode. Now, for you to use the bass mode, you must have the ear tips on. Ear tips must be on to use the bass mode. Now, and then to use the awareness mode, you take off the ear tip and you just use it without the ear tip. Now, when you are using the awareness mode sounds more like a voice mode. That's the reason why I call it voice mode, because everything you hear, all you hear is just the voice. It's like a mode you would need when you want to listen to an ebook or something, or some podcasts or something that does not necessarily need a bass sound. Then that is a very good thing for it. Now, the drawback is for me. This is me. Might be different for you all, but this is for me. For me, the drawback with this is that when I take off the ear tip, I find this a little bit not as secure if you're using the ear tip. It is not as secure, or I feel like it's not as secure if you use the ear tip with it. Now, if you're somebody like me, when I'm going to use this, I am definitely not going to use the awareness mode because, like I said, it doesn't feel secure in my ear. It feels like if I just do something or maybe take a run or something, it will fall out of my ears. I've not tested that yet, but I'm just telling you what it feels like. Not as secure as when you're using the ear tip with it. Okay, so that for me, that's a drawback. Might be different for you, so don't let this discourage you if it's something you want to get. But for me, that is it. Now, but if you put the ear tip back, now when you put back the ear tip, you go to the bass mode, and wow, it is very, very good. The bass brings the sound together. It's a balance. It is very good. Wow. All right, let's move on. Now it's time for us to test the touch controls. Now we're not gonna look into every single one that comes, every single control that comes with this device. We're just going to do the basics, right? Just the basics. Now, pause and play, we're just going to start with that. The pause and play, for the right, on the right earbud, the pause and play, we tap twice. Right there. You see that? Pause and play on the right, and also pause and play on the left, you tap twice. Very responsive. Now, for us to go to the next song on the right, you tap once and you hold it. You tap once and hold, and it goes to the next song. You tap once and hold, and it goes to the next song. Right there. Now if you want to do the opposite, which is go to the previous song, you tap once and you hold it. You tap once and you hold it. Boom. Now, this is a problem that I have, okay? Every earbud must come with a volume control. That is my opinion. Now, with this one's, it does not have a volume control. I'd rather some of these controls be switched around and create something for the volume control. Like, for instance, the pause and play on both earbuds seems to be unnecessary to me. Maybe the pause and play, since it's just the same action, maybe one of them could do that and the other could have a control for volume control. It's very important. I would like to control the volume every time from the earbud. Now, where do I stand with these earbuds? Easy. You get 36 hours of battery power, and that includes that of the charging case. 10 meters on range on this one. You get 2 modes to pick from. It is comfortable, the sound is great, and it costs 475 rands, and that is 26 US dollars. I think it's worth the price. Okay, very easy. For me, this is a go. Now, if you're interested in getting these, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description, so just click on it. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to go searching for it in Google. Just click on that link and you can get it for yourself. But if you ask me, I think it's worth the price. I think it's worth the price. It is a go for me. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Please click on the like button for the algorithm so YouTube can put the video out. And while you're at it, click on the subscription button and the notification bell so when this video is put out, you'll be the first to know. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, please leave a comment in the comment section or send me an email. And guys, I cannot stress this enough. Please leave a comment in the comment section. I need to know how you feel about these videos. I need to know what I'm doing wrong in my videos so you guys can suggest something to me. Engage with me. Tell me what you'd like to see on the channel. All right? In the comment section. Until next time, take care.